All right, I'm the flat rate master, and today we're talking about something you guys haven't noticed. Right there. I've had it in the video right there for almost 2 weeks, and nobody's noticed it. OTC Encore. Now, you guys know I have a relationship with OTC. They send me stuff to review, talk about to you guys. So they sent me an OTC Encore. And the reason I got this is one of my most popular videos on my channel is a comparison between Snap-on, Autel, and Launch. And a lot of questions in that video were about OTC. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't answer any of those questions. I had not touched, physically held in my hand, an OTC scan tool since a Genesis 2.0, a long time ago. So I couldn't go, well, I couldn't actually give any feedback on it because I haven't used one in a very long time, which is Android-based, scan tool, touch screen, all that kind of good stuff. And I've only gotten to use it for a little bit. Now I'll say this, I've done a bunch of GM throttle bodies on Tahoes, and if you do one of those, you need to do the relearn procedure for the idle. And the Snap-on generally, at least for mine, ejects me out of the relearn procedure most of the time. You have to go back in and redo it and actually do it. The OTC, first time. Didn't kick me out, didn't have any trouble with the idle, cranked it up, let it run for a while, test drove it, ship it. It just happened to be that one worked well. Haven't used it extensively, unfortunately, just because, I'm in a working shop, I got to keep moving, and sometimes out of habit, you grab what you're used to. So, been grabbing the Autel and the Snap-on more. I'm trying to grab this. If you watched my Wednesday video, I put a blend door actuator in my personal truck, Chevy Silverado, and did the relearn with the OTC, no problems, went through it perfectly, all good to go. So once I've had some good time with it, I'll give you a better judgment of its abilities and its shortcomings and all that, and give you an update. And then my plan is, after I do some updates over here, i.e. replacement, I'm going to reshoot that video comparing fully updated Launch, fully updated Autel, fully updated Snap-on, and a fully updated OTC. Give you guys a real, across-the-board look at features and benefits of all of them. I'm not going to tell you, buy this, buy the Autel, buy the Snap-on, buy this. I'm going to give you features and benefits, good things, bad things. You're going to have to make that decision. I still to this day, I grab the Snap-on most times. One, it's already up and running, which is probably one of the main reasons I grab it, is it's already up and running. And force a habit again. If I'm using the Snap-on in one car, I'll grab the Autel, I'll grab the OTC, but I want to give you guys a updated video on using those tools and, give you a great overview of what they all can do, what they won't do, and hopefully I got another winter video. So as I get to use it more and more, I will update on the Encore, and then after that, I'll do the big video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, the update, the big video on all the scan tools, make sure and subscribe and hit that bell notification. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.